Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make custard using Bird's custard powder. First, gather your essential ingredients: Bird's custard powder, sugar, and milk. You'll also need a saucepan, a whisk, and accurate measuring spoons. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Precise measurements are key to achieving that classic, creamy texture you love. Next, let's create our custard paste. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of Bird's custard powder with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then, gradually add just 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold milk. Whisk this mixture thoroughly until it forms a perfectly smooth, lump-free paste. This step is vital for preventing lumps in your final custard, ensuring a silky smooth result. Now for the milk. Pour 1 pint of milk into your saucepan and gently heat it over a medium flame. Remember to stir the milk frequently to prevent it from scorching on the bottom. Watch it carefully and remove it from the heat just as it's about to boil, before any bubbles fully form. This ensures the milk is hot enough without scalding. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gradually pour the hot milk into your custard paste, whisking continuously to combine them smoothly. Transfer this mixture back into the saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the custard thickens to your desired consistency. Serve warm and enjoy your perfectly homemade, creamy custard.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.